Well, as people are heading back into the hustle and bustle of things, they're interested in the less big, elaborate recipes many of us were experimenting with during the pandemic. Chef Ian Laidlaw from Moxies is here to demonstrate some easy and trendy meals. Thanks for joining us this morning.
Thank you. Thanks for having me, Bob.
So what kind of food trends are we seeing this year, and how are food prices impacting?
Yeah, I mean, you've seen food prices definitely go up with what's gone on in the pandemic. So, the simpler the better at that point. You can really get a lot of great flavor and a lot of great food out of just a few ingredients.
Okay, so you've got some examples here. Of course, the best version would be to visit, a nearby Moxies, but you're going to share some trade secrets here so we can play the home game. So what's our first dish?
Okay, first off, we have our BT sandwich. It's new. It's crispy chicken sandwich made with a chicken thigh. It's topped off with our in-house made Bo Sam sauce. Really crispy, really juicy. Might be the best crispy sandwich you might have. And if it isn't, come see me. If it is, come see me and have one in the restaurant. Okay,
okay, will do. That looks pretty darn good. Yeah. All right, what else is there?
Okay, up next we have our Thai chicken salad. Really crispy, really delicious. Every bite has a nice crisp and crunch. Comes with arugula, romaine, has fresh vegetables like cabbage and carrots. It also gets topped off with cashews, pumpkin seeds, and then a nice big avocado on top.
That looks super yummy. What's your most popular dish?
Yeah. Our most popular dish would most likely be our rigatoni. It's been on the menu for quite a few years now, 4 or 5 years. Rigatoni pasta, it's our creamy Madeira mushroom sauce with pan-fried chicken, and then topped it with Grana Padano cheese. Really delicious, really creamy, really rich. One of my favorites as well. Oh,
that does sound good. Okay, what else is in front of you?
Okay, up next we have our roasted tomato whipped feta. So you might have seen this on like TikTok trends and Instagram trends over the past year. So our version is cherry tomatoes tossed with olive oil and garlic. And then it has a toasted sourdough around the edge, topped off with a nice herb medley to really elevate the flavors.
Oh man, that sounds so good. You had me at feta, and that combination would be great.
Yeah, I mean, the acidity of the tomatoes gets cut down by the feta. It's really, really nice.
Yeah, it sounds really nice. Now, Moxies is well known for the tiny tuna tacos.
Yes, new to our menu, and that's something that I'll kind of put together as we talk.
They're a big hit.
Now. Yeah, they are. I mean, they're tiny. I mean, if you look at them on my hand, I could easily just have that in one bite, I think. So you could have a few and not feel bad about yourself. I wouldn't judge you at all because I do the same thing. So the ingredients are very simple. We just have some diced avocado. We're going to land the bottom of it. You can make this at home. The shell itself is a crispy wonton shell. Very easy, very crispy, very delicious. And then we have marinated ahi tuna. We're going to line the top of the taco. Just like that. If you make this at home, you can put as much and as little of these ingredients as you want. And then just like that. Comes with 3 or you can get 4 on the menu. And then it gets served with our sesame chili ponzu sauce that you can either drizzle on top or dunk, whatever you want to do. Okay, if we wanted to try and replicate that at home, we don't have to build it to scale, do we? We can build it as big as our arm? Or... However you want, You guys can be as well as chefs at home as you like to do.
Yeah, well, and of course this is just a small sampling of the menu, right? Is the menu always evolving? And of course you would have input on that.
Yeah, it is. It really is. I mean, over the course of the pandemic, everyone was kind of shut out at home. So, we're really trying to strive towards getting a nice big menu with lots of options. It's pretty neat that you can come out to Moxies and kind of be in a whatever kind of mood and look at the menu and find exactly what you're looking for. You can go online, make reservations. You can look at our menu online as well. We've got lots to choose from.
Okay, hey, we'll link that to your website as well at chch.com for the menu and reservation info. And thanks for joining us, Head Chef Ian Laidlaw from Moxies.
Appreciate it, Bob.